If you're watching this video, then you've probably heard the terms AR, VR, MR, XR, but what the hell is the difference between them? Let's start with VR. VR, or virtual reality, is an experience that completely blocks out what you see and shows you a different environment instead. You can navigate around these environments as if you're actually there, using either controllers or physically moving your body around. VR earned its name because it essentially transports you to a virtual reality that isn't rooted in the environment that you're in. VR is already being used in gaming to transport players to fictional worlds, and it has many other use cases like education and training. You can see VR as a digital world that lives somewhere up in the cloud, and you can transport yourself into them through headsets. Unlike VR, which completely shows you a different reality, AR only enhances and adds to what we already see. Instagram filters that adds bunny ears or changes your appearance is an example of augmented reality because it adds to what you see and it's rooted in reality. Pokemon Go is another example because it adds a game layer on top of the world that we already know. Another famous example is the IKEA Place app, where users can use augmented reality to place virtual furniture in their space so they can easily try before they buy it without leaving the comfort of their own homes. And this is known to help businesses reduce product returns and increase conversions. So if you want an AR enhanced experience for your customers while increasing conversions and reducing product returns, make sure you head on over to paperballoon.co, my augmented reality try before you buy software that any e-commerce brand can plug into their website without coding. MR stands for mixed reality, and in MR experiences, you can interact with and manipulate both physical and virtual items and environments. MR typically involves headset, in some cases haptics, that allows you to interact with the digital elements using your own hands. For example, Microsoft HoloLens is an MR device that has games that integrates with your room's layout. Essentially, it provides the ability to have one foot or hand in the real world and the other in an imaginary place. While this is one definition of MR, it's important to note that this technology is still evolving and its meaning may change in the future. There's also the term XR. XR is the umbrella term that covers all forms of combined real and virtual environments. It includes AR, VR, MR, and basically anything that modifies our perception of reality. So, when in doubt, just use XR. Let me know if this video has given you a clear understanding of the difference between VR, AR, MR, XR, and please subscribe and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to know about immersive technology. I'll see you next time.